Hi, I'm Manuel,
I'm Brian, and we're with Overland Outfitters.
and today we are swapping out my headlights with LEDs.
So these are the lights that we got. We ordered them off of Amazon. They're V Plus Lighting and Accessories Company.
This is what you get. Here's your manual. Here are the adapters that you may need depending on what model you have. And here are the lights.
Before we do anything, we need to remove this ring around here, which is called a bezel.
If you haven't done so, go ahead and plug your light.
Okay, based on different models of Jeeps and because these LED lights are universal fit, sometimes you might have to check and make sure that your plug is compatible with your vehicle. And here's how you do that. First thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and turn on your headlights, get you a test light, find you a good ground source. On YJs, there's normally a ground right here next to the light. Then you get your plug. Okay, when you look at your chart, it'll tell you which ones are your low beam and high beam. So first you check to see if your low beam has power, which, as you can see on the test light, we've got power there. Next, you want to turn on the high beams, and we want to check and make sure that the high beams also work as well. Okay. All right, and we got test there. So that tells us we're running an H4 plug, which is compatible with the wires already attached to your LED lights.
Once you remove the bezel, you're going to have to take out the retaining screws. One right there, one right in there, and one right there. Out of the package, you want to remove the plastic from the light, otherwise it will melt onto the light. Once you remove that, you want to go ahead and feed this wire through the socket, just like so. You want to get the retainer and put it on just like you had it before. Hey guys, we just got done installing them. The passenger side is the same as the driver's side. There's just 4 screws and plug and play.
Thank you for watching, guys. We are MB Overland Outfitters. This is the finishing product. If you want more, please look us up again. We have more videos of us Jeeping. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Share this to your friends and whatever social media you have. Thank you.